Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today I choose a topic cube root, and we try to find how to find the cube root. And we have an example: find the cube root of unity. This is a very important question which is asked in metric level, FSC level, and even sometimes in the BSc level. Let's solve this. Suppose x cube is equal to 1. So x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. We can write it as x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0, and we know that we expand it, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1, which is equal to 0. This implies x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. From here we got x is equal to 1 is a one root of the unity. Now we have to find the other roots. Now we consider it x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. So solution of a quadratic equation is given as x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. And in the equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 over 2 into 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 iota square. We take iota square is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota under root 3 whole divided by 2, and we write it as x is equal to minus 1 plus iota under root 3 over 2 minus 1 minus iota under 3 over 2. We take it as omega, and this is omega square. Solution set is equal to, or roots of the x are 1 minus 1 plus iota under root 3 over 2 minus 1 minus iota under root 3 over 2. and we write it as 1 omega square, where omega is equal to -1 plus iota under root 3 over 2, and omega square -1 minus iota under 3 over 2. Please subscribe my channel, share with friends, like videos, and if you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you.